Hello, how are you today? Today's lesson, I'm going to talk about law of receiving. How can you receive more, whatever you're trying to receive, money or relationships or something you want, whatever, doesn't really matter. Whatever you're trying to receive, how we can see more. So that is a law, and we have to know how to receive more. If we don't know how to receive more, then we might be thinking why I'm not receiving more. So we have to understand that law to receive more. So let me introduce myself first. My name is Anita Bansal. I'm consultant on thinking to result. My mentor is Bob Proctor, and Bob Proctor was very good with the universal laws and your own mind. He taught this information more than 60 years. You know why he did? Because he worked and still working. And he taught this information, the airline, the CEO, you name it. And he taught this information all around the world. And this is what I have learned from my mentor, and this is what I'm sharing with you. And you can take the advantage also about this information, what I'm sharing. And so we are talking about the laws. As you know, I have been talking about the laws, universal laws. They are working all the time, just like day after day, night comes. It's a fixed law in the universe world beyond human power. They are working, so we cannot change them. They are fixed law and we cannot change them. All we can learn, go according to these laws. And first we have to know how these laws works, and how to receive them, and you start working with your own mind. So your own mind and the laws, they work together. We have to know the laws, how the laws works, and then we have to know how our own mind works. Then we can work together as mind and laws together. So this is what I am learning, and this is what I'm applying on myself, and it's working. But you have to work how to work within yourself, not just out of yourself, within yourself. How much we can apply this information within us, with other humans, as with the relationships, with the family, the friends, how we can behave with others, and applying these laws. So I'm going to talk about the law of receiving. To receiving means to come to you something, like you're expecting something to receive, and you might be disappointed, and whatever you're disappointed about, something not coming to you as a receiver. And there is a law: before we receive something, we have to give something. So you might be really surprised to hear that. And I knew this law, but I wasn't really 100% sure about this law. But now I'm very much aware of this law. And even sometimes, even we know this law, we still get disappointed around something we don't receive. But let me tell you that once you're aware of this law, it's so good to know this law, and then you don't get disappointed. Then you know all you have to do, work on yourself, how you can give more. So how can you give more? I mean, you might be saying, oh, I can't give, I haven't got anything to give. So giving is a more deeper. It's not just give in something. Giving is first we have to give ourselves. So we have to nourish ourselves. We have to look after our health. We have to look after our own mind, and we have to give to yourself. You only can give if you are full with yourself. You can't give anything if you haven't got anything within yourself. So what can you give? So I'm talking about that, like something giving from yourself, like for me, example, I'm sharing this information with other people, and this is a giving my gift, what I have learned, and this is my purpose also, and I'm working on my purpose, and I'm working on myself first. Then I can share with others. I cannot share with others if I'm not aware of this information. If I'm not acknowledge about this information, how can I give? So before you give something, you have to give yourself. You give love yourself. and look after your health, and look after whatever your purpose is. Try to work on yourself, or you like something singing, or you might like painting. Give to yourself first before you can give someone. You cannot give something if you haven't given yourself. So that is the first we have to understand how to receive back, and then receiving something, we have to give something. Okay, so we have to understand that now. So how can I receive? Like, before you receive something, you have to give something. So you might be saying, oh, I haven't got anything to give. So you can give your talent, you can give your knowledge, you can share your love, you can share something you know about and help others, or you can help somebody. And so there's no such a thing you can't give anything. So once you start doing that, giving, and then you're always going to receive back. So that is a law. And as I said before, start giving yourself. Start writing a gratitude. That is a giving to yourself. More you count your blessings and where your focus is, more you're going to gain something. So you are giving something to yourself. Writing a gratitude, you counting your blessing, and your focus is there. And where's the focus? That's what it grows, because we are dealing with the energy. So giving something first, I would say, give something to yourself, and then you can share with others, like your knowledge, your talent, or whatever. Okay, so always you're gonna receive something, you have to give something to yourself, then to share with others. Share means give to others, and then that's the only way you're gonna receive back. If you're lack of anything, you have to give to yourself first, and then you can share with others. So that is the law, and it's working all the time. And if you're not receiving something, this is the reason, because you're not giving something to the world, to the universe world. So this is how the law works. Before you receive something, you have to give something. So according to Bob Proctor, willing to give and gracefully to receive something, gracefully receive something. So you have to willing to give something, and gracefully you can receive something. So you might say, I'm giving all the time, and that person never give me back, or something, whatever you're giving your knowledge and you're not receiving back from that person. You might not get something from that same person, but as a universal law and is working all the time, you might receive from somewhere else. So this is how the laws work. So you don't expect from the same people or same person to receive back, but this is how the law works. What you give, you're always going to receive back. You maybe not the same person, from somewhere else. Okay, so this law works all the time for me. I'm giving here, giving my time, giving my knowledge. I'm sharing what I have learned. I'm working on myself first every single day. Then I'm delivering this message to the world as a universe world, and I'm helping other people. What I have learned, what I have is working for me, and I'm sharing with others. Then other people can use this information, and it can start working for them also. This is my motive to share. So if you're not receiving something, start giving yourself first, then give to the other people. And this is the way the law works. So hopefully this law going to work for you. If you're not receiving something, start giving something. Okay, we always can give something. If we don't have money, we can help someone with our hands, and we can cook for somebody, or we can or whatever way you can help or do something. And there's always you can help with something. If you're very good with something as a talent, start sharing with others. Make a I don't know how you can share it. Share your knowledge, share your whatever you're good at about it. So I think that's all I wanted to share. To receive something, you have to give something. Okay. Thank you for letting me share the information with you. And I would like to know your goals and what is your goals 2023 and what are you trying to achieve, where you feel stuck. And if you're feeling stuck as your goals, let's book online and on Zoom, and I can help you with your goals. Don't hesitate. I'm going to sell you something. People don't buy if they don't need something. They only buy something is going to help them. So I'm here to help. So don't hesitate. She's going to sell me something. So action is a reaction, but you have to take action. If you're not going to take action, nothing going to happen, because and it's going to be the same. So that's all I want to say. Leave your comments. I would love to read your comment. And if you want to ask something around anything you're not sure, and I can answer that around your goals. Thank you for letting me share the information with you, and have a great day, and start giving something, or penny or 10 cent or 20 cent donation or something, So whenever I go shopping, I just put the coin in the boxes or here and there, and this is my habit to do that. And this is my way to giving to the universe world, and you always receive back tenfold. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you. Bye.